Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and as you can see, we're not out of the office today. We're actually in my office getting ready for a VIP delivery. This customer is really important to T-sportline, and we are really excited about this one-of-a-kind build we just finished doing on his brand new 2025 Model X Plaid. Now here's the interesting angle. Over the years, T-sportline has done so many high-end builds for executives, Fortune 100 individuals, celebrities, royalty, and plenty of athletes. And while sometimes in my videos I allude to the fact that we have done a VIP project or somebody that's a celebrity, we never ever divulge who that person is because we respect their privacy. But today's VIP customer actually asked to be in the video, and it is my pleasure to go ahead and bring him in. He's arriving right now. I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna greet him, and we're gonna show you this one-of-a-kind build. How are you?
I'm good, Eddie.
Welcome.
Good to see you.
Yes, nice to see you. This is a day you've been waiting for a short while.
Yes, 2 months to be precise.
Has it been that long?
Yes, it's been that long.
Well, you know, big builds like yours take a long time. We never rush, and we had a long list. You asked for everything.
Yep.
And I told my guys, you know, this gentleman does not live local to us, and we have to make sure everything's done perfectly. We never rush. But what I want to hear from you and kind of share with our fans is, what was your inspiration for this build?
My inspiration was Rolls-Royce, Porsche. You know, I like that chalk gray color.
Yes.
That usually
Very
comes
popular.
in a Porsche, and then that teal blue I've only seen in Rolls-Royce. So
Yes.
that was my inspiration. So I want to see what magic you have done now.
Yes, well, let me tell you something. I remember our design meeting. You were very particular, and we got that chalk gray on the exterior. We got that Rolls-Royce teal on the interior, and now is the big reveal. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it. Oh my
Check this
God. Oh my God. This looks unbelievable.
I know we sent you some pics and some videos, but like I
don't
said,
do
doesn't do it
justice.
justice.
They don't do justice, Eddie.
In person, it's
Oh
incredible.
my God, you
Thank
knocked
you,
it out
thank
of the
you,
park.
thank you, thank you.
Oh my God,
thank
this
you.
is amazing.
Let's go through it together. Let's recap. We wrapped the complete exterior using T-Max gloss chalk gray color PPF film. That's protecting the paint underneath, but it gives you the color change that you wanted. That was part of your inspiration. And then of course, you know, the TLargo wide body kit.
Yep.
You are the first consumer
I've been
with
waiting
it.
for that since like 2 years or something, because I've been following you and your website because I've seen the first one. That was my original inspiration about the kit.
Okay.
But then the kit was not available, so I kept checking on your website. When is it going to be available?
There we go.
I'm still bummed that I'm not the first one getting
Well,
it.
you're the first consumer. The
Okay,
first one
good.
was my wife.
Good, so then that's good then,
And
yes.
you guys remember that video, right? Happy wife, happy life. Well,
Right.
Anyway, back to the TLargo kit. So this is TLargo-R, R standing for refresh, because the Model X went through a refresh, TLargo went through a refresh. Wide body kit starting with the gloss carbon fiber front apron. You move right into the wheel arch. You connect with the side skirt rocker panel with a really nice new sporty design into the two-piece rear arch, rear quarter panel piece. And then my favorite, the very sporty rear diffuser, finished by the gloss carbon fiber wing. Now, the wheels, as you know, part of TLargo-R are a limited edition wheel. It comes only with TLargo-R. They are finished in gloss black with our floating center caps, and they are very concaved for a very sporty, trending look. Also, what's interesting to note is that the tires are the same size that Tesla recommends. However, we really prefer the Falcon tires in this particular instance. These are the same size as the Falcon, a Zenith, and it is a true EV tire because it does have the foam on the inside to ensure that quiet ride. So while this looks amazing, that's not what took us that long.
Yep.
What really took us that long is what we did on the interior.
Don't forget the brakes, though.
Oh, yes,
Don't
yes,
forget
yes.
the brakes.
Wait a second.
We are not done
You're
on the
absolutely
outside
right.
still.
Take a look at these Brembo GTR edition, top of the line brakes. That's a whole new set of rotors, calipers. Now the GTR series only comes in a nickel plated caliper, right? No red, no yellow, no black, nickel only. But the Brembo letters were in red. And we had those hand painted in a beautiful teal color, which is going to go ahead and set the tone for what's going on the inside. So let's open up the doors.
Oh my God.
I mean,
Unbelievable.
come on. This is unreal.
Unbelievable.
Rolls-Royce teal leather hides imported from the tanneries in Europe to go ahead and give you exactly what your inspiration and your vision was. And remember, we talked about, are we going to do like a chalk stitch,
Yes.
contrast stitch?
Yes.
So we did that on the diamond quilted area on the
so
seats.
Nice. That came out so nice.
Yes,
oh
yes.
My God.
Gloss
Oh my
carbon
God.
fiber everywhere. All 9 interior decor pieces were refinished in a gloss carbon fiber as opposed to the matte. Your yoke steering wheel has been reimagined with gloss carbon fiber on the bottom, teal on the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. The airbag's been dyed to match in color. But remember we were
then we got
talking,
that
oh yeah,
to
the
be the
dash,
teal,
right?
the dash,
Refinished the dash in Ferrari black leather with a teal stitch, very subtle but nice. And then, you know, you can never have enough carbon fiber. And we talked about, you know, what else can we do in carbon? What else can we do? So remember these panels right here on the outer part of the driver's seat and passenger seat were plastic. They're now carbon. Your seat backs on all 6 seats, the back of the seats, no more plastic.
No more plastic.
Gloss carbon fiber.
Unbelievable.
Underneath the row 2 seats, that whole panel was plastic. That's gloss carbon fiber. I mean, this is maybe the most beautiful Model X ever.
Yep.
So we're really proud of it. I really want to thank you for trusting my team and I.
Thank you. You
We
guys
take
did a
so
phenomenal
much
job.
pride in these builds.
Amazing work.
And
Amazing work.
you really,
Great work.
you know what, you bought it all. We also got the radar detector and the laser
true.
diffuser in there.
That's true.
We've got the window tint with the cooling aspects.
Yep.
Oh, the headliner, that's right. So the headliner, remember, that was normally
that's right.
Alcantara. We said,
That's
no,
right.
no, too
Yep,
basic.
Too basic.
Black leather, so we got the headliner, black leather headliner in there. We ceramic pro treated the complete exterior,
car.
interior,
That's
and
true.
exterior
That's true.
for easy cleanup, and so that this beautiful interior doesn't really get stained or dirty.
This is a completely different
Am I
car,
forgetting anything? Oh, the custom floor mats with our T-Sportline logo.
That's right.
Finished in teal. I think that's it. Yeah, that's
Love
it. We
it.
checked all the boxes.
Love it. Love it.
You're the best, man. Appreciate you.
I need to start driving it.
Yes. Take a seat in it.
Yes.
Let's see how that all feels.
Oh my God, look at that. It's unbelievable.
Much more comfortable. The leather, everything, the touch,
Unbelievable.
the feel.
Amazing feeling.
It's beautiful.
Wow. You guys turned this into a completely different car. If somebody like didn't know the logo, they would be like, what kind of car is this? This is something different.
You know, your Lucid Sapphire might be sitting in the garage a little bit now that
Yes,
this is
now
all
that
done
this is
up.
all done. Exactly. Exactly. I just love it, guys. I just
Beautiful.
love it. I can't get enough of it. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, that looks so beautiful.
Oh, right. Yeah, this little attention
and
to
that.
detail, right? Your plaid badge attention to detail. These are your 2 rear laser diffusers.
Here's the fuses. Yep.
In the front, you've got 3 more, and then hidden behind this bumper and hidden behind the front bumper is the radar detector.
Detectors. Okay.
We've done all the settings for you already, so you're all good there.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much for watching, fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon. And if you want to be in the video, you know what? Hit me up, because maybe we're starting a new trend.
Yes, we are. I'm the first one to do that. Thank you so much, Ellie.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
thank
you.
the entire team
Thank
who's
you,
on
sir.
my behalf.
We
okay?
appreciate
So,
that. Thank you.
Thank you.